Hi guys, I'm going to do a little video on how I make my smoke mix. All of these ingredients are for a lung detox. They actually help the lungs by smoking them. Sounds crazy that you can smoke something that helps the lungs, but it's making an amazing amount of difference in people's lungs, mixing this little mix into either their herb that they smoke or just on their own, or even with tobacco. It's amazing. So the first ingredient is rose hips. All of these ingredients, like I say, will detox the lungs. Then we've got damiana, which will detox the lungs and also is an antidepressant when you smoke it. Then we got mullein leaf. We all know what that does for the lungs. It's amazing, and smoking it will actually clear up all the mucus in your lungs and you'll cough it right up. Then we got peppermint leaf, which is another lung detox. Very wonderful. It makes it smell and taste so sweet too in this mix. Then I did a little something different this time. I'm putting some lavender in. I usually put St. John's wort, but I'm out of the St. John's wort until I harvest some new stuff, which will be coming soon. So I replaced my mix with lavender, which is also a lovely smell and a lovely taste in this mix. So what I'll do is I'll take it all and I'll put it into my grinder. First I'm going to put in my rose hips because they're a little harder to grind up. So let's grind them up to a powder. Take a peek at them. It looks pretty good. Now I'm going to start adding the other ingredients to the buster. So I'm going to put in my lavender. There's no special measurement. It's just basically whatever you want to do. I'm going to put in the damiana leaf and bust them up so it's a little bit smaller so I can fit the rest in. Good. Maybe, yeah, okay, I'm going to add the rest of the damiana. Some mullein leaf. It's pretty full, so I'm going to dump that into my plate, my bowl. That's a nice blend there. I'm going to add the peppermint leaf. Oh, it smells so good coming out of the buster, all those things. Ooh, I can really smell the lavender. It smells great. When you bust it up, it releases all the essential oils. Wow, it smells great. I can't wait to add the peppermint to the lavender. It's going to be so lovely. Okay, here we go again. Wow, that looks great. Look at that. Oh my goodness, if you could smell that from busting it up, it released all the oils. Wow. So what I'll do now is just kind of mix them all together. Like this. I might even, it looks like there's probably 2 busters full. I might even just put it back into the buster, half of it, and bust it up so it's really mixed good. Everything's all mixed in. That's what I'll probably do. I usually do that. So this gives you an idea, guys, on how I make my smoke mix. So lovely. Let me know if you guys want any. It's called the Bam Bag. Have a great day.